Hey, what's up guys, it's Crypto-Nelly here. My name is Nelson, bringing you latest news, updates and technical analysis on EGLD. If this sounds good to you, then continue watching this video to the end. Please smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Turn the bell notification on. Also, a lot of the content haven't been reaching other viewers, so let's help that almighty YouTube algorithm get there by subscribing, commenting and hitting that like button. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you all had fun during the celebrations and hope you all are staying safe. Okay, so enough said, let's dive into it. Okay guys, so let's start off with what's happening in the crypto market space. Just remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I make this video for entertainment and educational purposes only, so please do your own due diligence research before making any informed financial decisions. So the overall market looks like it's in the red at the moment, with Bitcoin still down. Overall market cap, we're sitting over at $2 trillion. Bitcoin dominance actually it's down at 39.6%. As opposed to a couple of months ago, we were sitting in the 40s. So the number one coin at the moment is Bitcoin. It's sitting at 43,614, down 5.69%. Number two, Ethereum at 3,533, down 7.14%. Number three, Binance Coin at $471.52. It's down 7.59%. Number four, Tether USDT, still sitting at $1, down 0.01%. And number five, Solana at $153.09, down 8.84%. Just remember guys, this is just over the last 24 hours on how it's been performing. So Bitcoin isn't doing so great, but it's to be cooled off before another major run, which we call the bull cycle top, before we may see it go down to the bear market again. So a lot of people are freaking out that Bitcoin is going to drop and diminish. So Bitcoin's just a bubble, it's game over, and so on. What most people don't know is that if you look at the exchange reserves of all exchanges holding and supplying Bitcoin around the world, so what I have in front of me is a Bitcoin exchange flow chart versus its value. The purple line you can see is the exchange reserves that are holding and supplying Bitcoin, whilst the white line on the chart is the fluctuating value price of Bitcoin. So you can see the purple line is actually slowly dropping over time on the charts here. Now when the exchange reserves are falling, it's simply telling us that Bitcoin is getting bought up out there, whether it's for retail individuals buying it for long-term growth so they can retire on, or major companies and giant hedge fund companies securing their portion to put on their balance sheet. So why would people be doing this if they believe it's just a bubble and it's going to diminish? So why don't you leave a comment down below your thoughts on this, whether Bitcoin is just a bubble or we'll see that $100,000 Bitcoin as most analysts has spoken of. And now let's have a look at what 2021 was all about. The year 2021 has seen to be a major year of the metaverse, the DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, and NFTs. Also, we've seen a lot of smaller altcoins develop where they are literally just pump and dumps with only a few out there, which we will see and continue in 2022. Now going into 2022, we may see more regulations for the cryptocurrency space, governments approving the use of cryptocurrency, making it more available in different parts of the world. We may see purchases made with cryptocurrency a lot more, and just the easier accessibility to it. So now that we saw a lot of the metaverse projects get launched, we saw projects like Sandbox, Engine, Decentraland and Axie Infinity go ahead and launch the metaverse projects to another level. So we saw prices start to soar on all of these projects. So if we take a look at the Sandbox from November, it went from a mere $1 up to an all-time high of $7, and then it consolidated over a bit of time. So if we take a look at Engine Coin, did the same thing around November, around the $1 odd mark, up to $3-4 at its peak, and now it's just moving sideways at the moment. So same with Decentraland, start off in November as well. The prices of about 70 cents US, and then up to its peak around December at about $5 and something. So it's also moving sideways as well. But if we look at Axie Infinity, it's actually done the opposite. It did peak up quite high in November. It went from about 135 to its 160, 170, and now it's sort of come back down a bit, and it's going. It's actually fallen down below $100. And so with all that's happening in the background at the moment, we're going to see we need interoperability between these projects and the blockchains it's going to have to launch on. Interoperability is being able to connect projects like these to other blockchains, and then others can use, whether it's on the Binance chain, Ethereum, Matic, or ELROND. So we're also going to see if blockchains can accommodate the speed it needs to have these metaverse projects function properly. We're going to need faster transaction speeds, so then these projects won't get any glitches or crashes whilst multiple thousands of transactions are taking place at the same time. And so this is where we saw Solana have another crash. They had a DDoS attack. As I mentioned from the earlier videos, what a DDoS attack is, it's a malicious attempt to disrupt the network, causing traffic jams, leading to glitches and crashes, causing the network to shut down and not function at all. And so this is where we all need ELROND. Definitely the blockchain, in my opinion, that will supersede all. It has the capabilities for transaction speeds at a very, very low cost. It's fast throughput, low latency, and adaptive state sharding allows speeds to adapt to its current situation, whether it needs to be fast or slow. So go check out my other video on ELROND and what it's all about. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And so now onto the EGLD chart, just a quick little update. I won't spend too much time on it. We've seen what the Maiar DEX did do to the price of EGLD before the launch. Anticipation to lead up of an opening of an exchange. The price shot up to over $530, almost $540 from $300 down here over a period of from the 18th, 19th to the 21st, so about 3 to 4 days. We saw the price of MEX also up too, as there were a lot of transactions used, and MEX being the exchange token to use whether you need to stake or farm any of the projects on the Maiar DEX. So at this stage, it's kind of all depends on Bitcoin, as Bitcoin being the #1 asset for all cryptocurrencies, like gold is to our dollar and fiat money. It's accumulating stage for EGLD holders. Accumulate as much as you can, not financial advice, as we did see when prices were at $50 to $80 range back in June 2021, and what it can do and what it did do. So if Bitcoin was to drop to $35,000, I would set my buy orders at the $160 range down here, and just in case it does fall with Bitcoin. So once we do see the Bitcoin back up again, going for the $100,000 Bitcoin, we could see more transactions used across the Maiar DEX, meaning the price of EGLD back up, retesting the $530 range, and then going for the top quoted amount of what analysts have spoken about in previous videos, and my video as well, of $1,000 per EGLD. Okay, so now let's head over to ELROND's social on Twitter. Let's check out what the latest tweets have been. We'll head into one of them. Since the ELROND Network Dubai Incubator was introduced in October, dozens of teams have applied for funding. The Morningstar VC team shortlisted the best 10 and selected one to be unveiled next week. It'll be the first of many. Builders apply. ELROND at Morningstar.Ventures. And then let's have a look at the next. Lucien Minku also mentioned, expand your EGLD DeFi toolkit with ADA_project. This team of passionate builders already went live with complementary products for the Maiar DEX, board, swaps, compounds, and charts, with more cool things to follow. So please do come on the social and check it out and see what else they have got to say about this, as well as the first one about Dubai. And then the other bit of news on the social was ELROND last week was listed on Huobi, which is one of the major exchanges as well. I think if we go and check out the #1 exchanges on CoinMarketCap, you will see Huobi is number 6 on the charts. #1 is Binance, then Coinbase, FTX, Kraken, KuCoin. So there you go, guys. Good news after some good news for ELROND. Man, I'm quite bullish for this project, ELROND. Very humble company who doesn't just talk the talk, but actually provides constant updates with literally new partners all the time, or any other updates it needs to. It will let its viewers know. They have a great team and great community support, so get your EGLD while it's still fairly cheap. Who knows, this could be the next Ethereum with such a large ecosystem now. So thank you guys for watching Crypto-Nelly on this quick little technical analysis update and some bullish news on ELROND. Tell me what you think down in the comment section below, whether this brought value to you or not. And just remember, Again, I will mention this again, this is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. I make this video for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please do your own due diligence research before making any informed financial decisions. So to the new viewers and current ones out there, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit that like button, get that YouTube algorithm going so it can help out the channel, and in turn I can continue to make videos like this for you. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.